Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on gold, very sideways price action for since pretty much mid last week. I'm definitely still looking at this impulsive down wave A. Like I said this morning, I'm pretty confident that the wave B is not over yet, or possibly the wave one, wave two, because this is still very, very, very overlapping. Now, there's many different ways you could count this. That's the only problem with corrections is there's probably dozens and dozens of different ways this can play out. You could say that it's one, two, three waves up, one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up for WXY. You could also get some sort of a weird triangle and it could push down again, grabbing like a contracting triangle type look and possibly going up like that. So there's a lot of different ways this can play out. I personally think that it is going to go up and touch at least the 61%, maybe even the 50%. Whether it pops down a little bit and then pops up, or whether it's just going to go up from here, making more of a WXY, is the question I would have. I personally, as more of a swing trader, especially on gold, am going to wait for a nice push up and then I'll wait to go short because that's going to be a much clearer, much more reliable entry to go short, potentially for either a wave 3 or possibly a wave C, which either way should be a way more profitable, way more reliable trade than trying to figure out exactly how a corrective wave B or a wave 2 will play out. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.